Welcome to Garland's 2-ply Green Lock Systems Application Excellence video. Application over approved roof boards. Garland's roofing systems must be applied to structurally sound substrates and properly prepared surfaces. All surfaces must be clean and dry before application. The list of approved insulation boards that can be used in a Green Lock system at a minimum 1/2 inch are Georgia Pacific Gypsum Densdeck Prime, Densdeck DuraGuard, Secure Rock, and high-density asphalt-coated wood fiber board. Other insulation boards like expanded, extruded, perlite, fiberglass, and foam glass are not acceptable insulations. If you are installing a nailed base sheet instead of insulation, then you must use a modified base sheet, not a typical Type 2 base sheet. Once your insulation board has been installed, sweep or blow away any dust, dirt, or sand particles that could interfere with adhesion. Make sure to tape all insulation joints prior to applying Green Lock membrane adhesive to keep material from seeping in between the boards. Duct tape may be used. Relax the sheets prior to application and work with no more than 18-foot lengths. Pour a liberal amount of Green Lock membrane adhesive onto the insulation at a rate of 2 to 2.5 gallons per square. It is important to periodically check the application rate with a mill gauge to ensure the proper coverage rate. Work outwards to eliminate voids. The coverage is based on a smooth surface. Uneven surfaces or more porous roof boards will increase the amount of material used. Cap sheet application. Snap chalk lines for the area of application to prevent material from skinning over in areas where the material will not be applied immediately. Pour a liberal amount of Green Lock membrane adhesive onto the base sheet at a rate of 2 to 2.5 gallons per square. To install cap sheet, start at the low point of the roof with an appropriate roll width to offset side laps from the underlying membrane, a minimum of 18 inches. Then position the cap sheet with the selvage edge at the high side of the roof. Install in shingle fashion with no laps against the flow of water. Use caution with the weighted roller at the end of lap areas. Do not squeeze out too much adhesive, just remove all air pockets. These are general guidelines for application of the Green Lock systems. The material requirements may vary depending upon the specific job requirements. If unusual conditions exist, contact your local Garland representative.